Come test drive the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.